Speedosi, back in action, peeps. I'm going to show you a little game I play here with the Adama. It's called Throw Snowballs at the Dog. And I don't know if you can see here, but I've made probably about 10 or 15 little snowballs and one big one. And what we do is, Adama, come on. I gotta switch the camera because I can't throw with my right hand or with my left hand. Take 2 snowballs. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, you stupid idiot. I throw one in this direction. She goes running for it, so she thinks it's a ball. There she is on her little castle. She thinks it's a ball, and then as she's running down the path, I peg her with a second one. Come on. Ready? Come on. Go get it. Ah, mister. And we can do this for hours. Tires her out. Sometimes when she stays down there, I just try and peg her. It tires her out, and then after this, she goes inside and sleeps for hours. I got her. Now for the big daddy. Alright, we're done.